Hello everyone, this infographic is to introduce the solar energy in the United States. It's a long poster and there is enough space for me to show so much data about the solar energy. I use red color as background because red is the color of sun and give the audience a feeling of warm and powerful. After that, I choose white as the color of words to look comfortable and obviously in red background. I use different chart, column, line graph, and bar to show the change of the data in recent years. For example, about the cost of the solar energy, I choose line graph. It's a direct way for audience to know that the cost of solar energy has decreased a lot. Also, there is a visible number in the second row. I use black as the color of the number because the map of the United States is black and the number means 0.6% area of the United States. The same color, the same represent. It's a direct way for the audience to realize how powerful and solar energy is. For the last row, I want to show that solar energy has been a popular new clean energy way, and I present this as an insult type. I use three different symbols to represent wind, solar, and natural gas energy. Also, I write some words to explain it. Okay, this is the whole design choice. Thank you for listening.